Hi everyone, welcome to this week e-commerce tutorial, the best place for e-commerce seller tips and tricks. How to find product idea to sell. Put it this way, be it you are about to start a business or you are already an experienced e-commerce seller, every entrepreneur need to have new products idea all the time. Why an experienced e-commerce merchant need new product ideas every now and then? It is because your competitors will be spy on what you sell, and if the product is selling good, they will follow you to sell the same or similar products. So every e-commerce merchant must always be looking out for product idea that sells. But where to find product ideas? In today's video, you will learn about 5 places to source for a new products idea. So please stay to the end because I will be sharing 2 bonus just for you. If you're first time here, hi, I'm Vernette. I'm an e-commerce coach. I help female employees who start in 9 to 5 to start e-commerce business and coach them to become the expert in the field. A weekly video in this channel to share tips and tricks of e-commerce businesses. So if you are interested to learn more about e-commerce, please subscribe and click the little bell to receive a weekly video from me. First, Trend Hunter. This is a website with data driven into consumer trends and products. How to search for product idea using this website? Take an example for this lipsticks. What you can see is the total score. This total score is taken into consideration of 3 factors: popularity, activity, and freshness. So the total score is 7. Take another product example. This is the cocktail. It's a drink. And you scroll down when you see the score is only 4.6. The higher the score means the product has a demand in the market right now. And the second place to look for product ideas is AliExpress.com. You can open a free account using AliExpress.com and you can spot the trend using trend spotting sections as well as feature category sections here. Let me show you an example. How are you going to evaluate whether the product is sellable or whether the product is in demand? You click on the products that you intend to sell and then you read the data here. If the customer review is more than 4.7, means the product is in good quality. And if the total order is more than 100 pieces, means this product is sellable and is in demand. Of course, next you need to read the reason review as to ensure the seller is still selling these products. The third place you can go to is Amazon. All right, in Amazon homepage, you click on bestseller and click on any category that you are looking at, for example, fashion, and you immediately can zoom into what are the bestseller in fashions. The fourth place that you can go to is the marketplace that you intend to list your products. So for example, Shopee. When you come to Shopee homepage, you can look for trending searches whereby all these products are hot searches at the moment. Next, you can look for top product category. All these product category are hot selling at the moment. Next place that you can look for is from the Instagram. For Instagram, it is full of products idea and you can use hashtag strategies to search for relevant products idea. For example, hashtag baby diaper. So you can browse through all these baby diaper related photos and find the products that can catch your eye. And then look for posts that promoting products for sales on Instagram that have many likes and comments. Those are the products that consumer likes. So for example, this product itself has 133 likes and 7 comments compared to this one only have 2 likes and 3 comments. So those are 5 places that you can go to look for your products idea, and those places are quite effective, to be honest, because I myself using that. And if you are still with me, please comment I am in the comment section so that I know you are still with me. For those that are still with me, I'm going to give you 1 more bonus place that you can look for your products idea. Let's go. The bonus place is using YouTube trending video. So you come to YouTube, click on explore. So if you are in the gaming industry, you can look for what are the game are trending at the moment. I can see that Minecraft is trending for a while now and quite evergreen. If you intend to sell Minecraft related products, let's go to the marketplace to see whether there is somebody already selling. If there's somebody already selling, means this game products are in the demand. So indeed, there are already some merchants selling Minecraft related products in the marketplace, right? And some of them selling quite good. If you are still here, I want to reward you the second bonus of today's sections. Comment I want below so that I know you are still with me. So the second bonus is I want to reward you with this 35 pages complete guide of step-by-step how you could start your e-commerce business. The link is in the description section for free download. That's all for my video today, and I'll see you next week.